I have more than one video. Sorry guys, I'm itching myself. That's why the camera's moving so much. I'm like itching so bad on this grass right now. You might not hear me because it's so loud out here, but hopefully y'all can see better now. It might be stuck behind that building. It looks better in real life, I swear. Super pretty on camera though. Like the clouds being different colors. Like you can actually see it on camera. I can't really see the clouds being different colors in real life. The camera's moving so much because I'm itching like so bad. It's so itchy. I'm so itchy. I can't slow down. You can pour some sugar on me, honey, too. Singing up again, and I'm not gonna be. Let me take it to the show now. Ooh. A tornado in my city, my city. And I begin if I can't slow down. You can push some people around it too.